They say responsibility ou bien responsibility. For example, I have a lot of responsibilities at work. Mwen gen an pil responsabilité nan travay. She is taking responsibility for the project. Li pran responsabilité pou projet. They say opportunity ou bien opportunity. For example, this is a great opportunity to learn English. Sa se yon gros opportunité pou apprendre anglais. I am looking for new opportunities. Map chèche nouveau opportunité. They say ability ou bien ability. For example, she has the ability to solve difficult problems. Li gen habilité pou résoudre problème difficile.